Umphathi wedolobha uthi lokuqhuma kubangelwe ukuqhuma kwamapayipi egesi amadala abengasasetshenziswa kanti ke kumanje kwenziwa imizamo yokuthi avalwe. Ukuchithile ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kube abamba igolide ngokungemthetho.
They've also detected and identified the old Johannesburg gas line, and that has been discovered to still be active, and the work will commence to close and isolate that.
Ukuqhuma okwenzeke ngoLwesithathu kuphazamise izintambo zogesi kanye nokuthunyelwa kwamanzi. Umasipala uthumele amathanga amanzi esikhashana namhlanje. Abantu abahlala kulomgwaqo bathi balidinga kakhulu usizo.
Usihlale bunzimeni kakhulu. Cela uncedo kakhulu. Please help us. We need help.
Umasipala usuqalile ukubheka umonakalo nokuzama ukulungisa isimo.
At this point, we're purely focusing on the foundation and the culvert itself. From there, we can then go do our technical debriefing and we can make a final deliberation.
Nakuba ongoti bethi kuphephile ukuhlala ezakhiweni eziseduze nomgwaqo uBree. Kepha-ke abantu abahlala lapha bathi abazi noma kusaphephile yini ukuhlala lapha.
Akukho sure ukuthi sisefu kangakanani ngoba sinalo ulwazi ukuthi le nto eyenzakaleyo uba isethusile kakhulu ngendlela eyenzakale ngakhona, so uba sefu kethu asinalo ulwazi ukuthi sisefu kangakanani.
Owengamele ezokubusa ngokubambisana eGauteng uMzikho uthi bazama ukubuyisa izidingo edolobheni laseGoli.
When we look at the work that needs to be done, we think that it will require 3 days to assess those power lines and also to restore services.
Kusenjalo kulimale umuntu oyedwa khathi kuba nokuqhuma efemini eCampton Park eGoli.
We found that now a 48 kilogram cylinder of ammonia is the one that actually exploded, and we found all of the paramedics who were on site, and the patient sustained a laceration on the leg and he was responding positively so.